So today I'm gonna be working on one of these pieces of junk white van speaker specials, and the problem is you can hear 60 hertz hum. So that's the problem we're gonna be fixing. Pretty sure the filter capacitors are bad, so let me go and open this up and we'll check them out. Don't even need to bring out an ESR meter on this one. You can see this capacitor right here is all puffy out, so it started to vent. So I'm going to go and replace those capacitors and hopefully I'll get this guy going. Typically I wouldn't even bother to work on stuff like this, but someone wanted to actually get this thing going, so I'm going to go and fix it for them. Here's the capacitors I'm going to be putting back into this piece of junk. So I'm going to be using this, and once I get them in, hopefully this thing will be working again. Went ahead and changed the bad filter cap, and as you can see, what happened to it is it did go open. So I went ahead and replaced them, and I replaced the others too around it just so they don't go bad either. But you can see how cheaply and shitty this thing's pretty built. I mean, they really built this down to price. You can even see the tuner. This is the tuner right there. I mean, it's really crappily built. I mean, this is a white van speaker scam. This is considered. You can see all the glue and stuff they put together, but these are the things that people buy in back of the white van. So I'm gonna go and put this junk back together and hopefully it'll work. Okay, and yep, this piece of junk is working now. As you can see, it turns on and no 60 hertz hum, so that's a good thing. I'm not gonna put on any music, but definitely here it is working. So that's all the problem was just a bad filter capacitor. That's because they used probably the cheapest junk that they could find or the market at the time being. I'm not sure what brand these are. Guess that's the brand right there, but they're junk. So overall this thing is now functional at least.